Today we're going to work on a zipper and a zipper pull. So if you were to download a zipper pull, essentially this is what it looks like. Now there's many shapes with the zipper pull, but the basic components are the zipper head and the pull itself. So let's go ahead and create a basic zipper pull, making a shape using my V tool. And I'm going to create this shape, adding a couple of anchor points. And let's see, does that look right? That looks pretty good. Actually, we can probably take that in a little bit more. And let's go ahead and make this shape. Now we have sort of the general shape of this pull. This shape here is actually perfect for this shape that we have here. So that all looks pretty good. Now we need to create the pull. So if we are to create this, you notice that this part, there's a hole here, and that's how it connects. So let's go ahead and I will make a rectangle, and I'm going to make a oval shape. And I'll show you how to connect these two. So I've selected both. I'm going to use my shape builder and drawing it across, it creates this shape for me. And then I'm going to create this shape. Now, if I pull this to the side, this is what it looks like. Again, I'm going to use my shape builder. Now, if you look here, I'm hovering, the arrow has a plus sign, and this has a plus sign. But if I hold down my option key, that turns into a minus sign. And what that does is it cuts this out. So now that can be that. So now I have a zipper pull, like so. And I can put a round shape in here. And again, I can use my anchor point option, the minus, and I've cut that out. And I'll add white to that, and I'll add white to that. And I have my zipper pull.